Alright, here we are on this warm sunny day. I have my dad's Canon TR4720 printer that apparently has a paper jam, so we're going to walk through this together as I try to record at the same time. So I'll flip it back onto the printer. I don't have this printer. So there's the piece of paper. What I read, we're supposed to be able to get access to paper back here, which there it is. Here's one piece. Looks like there's a second piece in there. Ouch, this glass is hot. There it is right there. Oh, you gotta compress them to push it back in. Hit the like and subscribe button if the video helped you out.